engineering students. Myself, Mallesham Devasane, and in fact, we have started the series, including other faculty, for you to prepare for various exams like ISRO, BARC, and other competitive exams. You might be waiting for the GATE result, but you know that what you have performed, and if there are 1 lakh students are writing for the GATE exam, then among them hardly 2 to 3,000 people they get the admission. That remaining 95,000, more than 95,000 people are going to look for the jobs and other exams. So here there are some exams which will help you to prepare and to get a job, and also TIFR you can go for some research programs. Yeah, in case if you are watching this video, please don't forget to like the session, guys. Yeah, and also share with your friends in case if you are just joined. Come on, guys, quick. Great. So today is the practice on theory of computation, which is the lecture 9. We have completed almost more than 80 questions. That means 100 questions we have completed that might help you for coming up exams. Yeah, please like the session if you are watching this video, and I'm waiting for all. Yes, thank you, Shantanu. Good evening. I'm waiting for you to join the live session. In case if you're watching recorded, don't forget to like the session, guys. Yeah, in case if anybody is new on this platform or in this channel, let me introduce myself. I have studied diploma, Btech, Mtech. In fact, I went to a PhD program, but I discontinued that, and now I have more than 12 years of experience and guided more than 1 lakh students. I have selected for various jobs. Today I'm taking the classes for the GATE and other competitive exams. In case if you are aware of the Gradeup and you are preparing for GATE 2022, then it is the right time to take the Gradeup Super subscription. Yes, this is the helpline number 9650052904, where we are going to help you to get the subscription and to make you ready for the upcoming exams like GATE, ISRO, other exams. Yes, Banwar, good evening. Bhartendu, good evening. All right. Please like the session, guys. We are started this session. Please like the session if you have joined it, and share with your friends. Let them join and participate at this class to have a good practice on upcoming exams. Yeah, this is ISRO 2020, and the question was so easy. Look at that. Within seconds you can answer if you have prepared for GATE. If not, then it will take some time to understand the problem. Minimum number of states required in DFA that accepting all the binary strings not ending in 101. Yeah. After 8 lectures we came back to TOC. Yeah, we came to TOC. All right. Yeah, just learning TOC. Any answer, guys? Maybe you have a shortcut for this. Can you answer it? Yeah, I'm waiting for your answer, guys. Don't forget to like the session. Not ending 101. How many of you know ending 101? You have like 0 plus 1 whole star 101. How many states required for this machine this language? You require 4 states. How do you design it? Take the minimum string 101 and that requires 4 states, and then try to complete it, and 4 states in minimum DFA. Then same 4 states even for the complement. If this is L, then L complement also we require 4 states. only by interchanging finals and non-finals. Finals and non-finals. But if you want to design a machine in the exam, really going to take time. You can see that how difficulty to design a machine. 1, 0, 1. And we know this 4 steps only takes, but to design it, it will take time. As this one, if 0 comes, you have to wait. And after 1, any number of 1s comes because 0 already taken, and wait there. And after 1, 0, 0 comes, you should start again because you are looking for 1, 0, 1. It will disturb, the pattern will be disturbed. And after 1, 0, 1, then 0 comes, you can come back to here because 0, 1 will make 1, 0, 1. And if 1 comes, then you might require to come here because followed by 0, 1 will be ending with 1, 0, 1. So take this machine and interchange final, non-final. You will get just interchange final, non-final. And designing really difficult task in the exam. So don't do that. In the exam, don't design a machine. Don't design machine. It will waste your time. So it's better to follow the shortcut directly. This is the best technique. Everybody knows that. Alright. Next one. Which of the following classes of the languages can validate? Okay, application based question, guys. Application based question. The IPv4 address in dotted decimal format. And which is you are going to recommend? It is to ensure the decimal value lies in between 0 and 255. Good evening, Anvesha. Good evening. Which is the best suitable? Only one choice is correct. Don't choose multiple answers. Which one you recommend? Here RE means regular expression. Remember that is a problem in ISRO. They don't mention all of them properly. RE means recursively enumerable. Sorry, regular expression. They should have mentioned. Is it regular language or regular expression? So anyhow, assume it. I am assuming it, guys. Assume it is regular expression. As already there is one more recursively enumerable. Yeah. All are right answers, but the best suitable answer is the regular expression and IR. Yeah. Just you need to ensure that 0 in between 0 and 255, right? Just you can have a transitions. You can have a transitions. We can design a DFA, a regular expression, sufficient. In fact, you can write a grammar for that. Yeah. There will be 4 components, let's say dot, dot, dot and so on. Here 0 to 255, here 0 to 255, here 0 to 255, here 0 to 255. You can write an expression, right? 0 plus 1 plus up to 255 dot 0 to 255 dot. That means indirectly you can say simply guys, I'm just writing it. Can you write power 4? That's enough. If you want to define the IP4 address, no, RE actually we refer for recursively enumerable, not for recursive. No, that is what, when you are facing ISRO, you can see the order. CFG is there, CSG is there, recursively enumerable grammar, grammar language, whatever it is. The first one is regular. So their intention was it is regular expression. Come on. That is what the ISRO problem is. Actually, they want to talk about regular expression, but somehow they made these are the grammars, these are the language. You can see the order also. And in GATE, this confusion never happens, Bhartendu. RE represent a recursively enumerable. Come on. Everybody? Regular expression. They wanted to talk about this. Clear? Okay. In ISRO, this might happen. This might happen. This confusion happens in every subject, not only in my subject too. Okay, another ISRO 2020. And in ISRO, there are few subjects like TOC, digital, computer networks. There were a lot of questions in every year. You can see in ISRO, those people who are trying to face ISRO, and remember the subjects which you will have lot of weightage, including other subjects, but these three subjects are having lot of weightage: TOC, digital logic and CN. The language which is generated by this grammar, I think it's so easy. Just by looking at it, you can answer it, right? Yeah. Once you have practiced all the grammars, strings that begin and end with same symbol, looks like begin and end with same symbol, but it can't generate all the strings. So you will delete it. It can't generate all the strings. Look at already option A started. Option is started. It can't generate all the strings. It can't generate. If it is true, then tell me, is it possible to generate? This is a string starting and ending with A. But can you generate from the given grammar? Not possible. It cannot generate all the strings. It can generate only some strings. Anonymous, have you understood what is the problem with the option A? Looks like it will generate starting ending with same symbol, but it can't generate all. It is actually subset answer, not full. Okay, B, all odd even. Here even length you can't generate, like epsilon you can't. But odd length, that was the grammar, very famous grammar, very famous grammar, very famous grammar. Here you can write either A or B, it's your choice. It's odd length palindrome concept. If you want even length, what is even length, guys? What is even length? Just you write epsilon, this will create even length. It will generate even length palindromes. This generates odd length because of AB. Odd length palindromes. Fine, fine. Very, very famous grammar. Which of the following is true? Yeah. See, ISRO 2020 is not ending. We have seen already 3 questions. Still 2020 only is happening because in ISRO, lot of TOC questions are there in every year. Those people who are watching this video, please like the session, guys. 14 people are live, but only 10 likes. I want you to like everyone, guys. And I think it was asked even GATE also, not only in ISRO, it was there in GATE also. It was asked in GATE also. Subset of a regular need not be regular. What is the actual answer? Need not be regular. That is the exact answer. Sometimes regular, sometimes not regular. So we delete. Finite subset of any set, not only this one, any set is always finite. Always finite. So definitely you can say regular. That's true. That is true. The union of two non-regular. They say not regular, but actual answer is need not be regular. How many of you know? How many of you know non-regular union can be regular? How many of you know that union of two non-regulars can be regular? Come on, Venki, just started. How many of you know union of two non-regulars? Why? Need not be regular. You can take two examples. You have two examples like a power n, b power n, union. Take the same language, you will get a power n, b power n. So non-regular, non-regular, non-regular. So non-regular, union, non-regular, we got non-regular. But there is also possible regular. How? A power n, b power n, union, its complement, yeah, its complement is also non-regular, but this is equal to a plus b whole star. Non-regular, union, non-regular is regular too. That means somebody saying two non-regulars union is non-regular, but it's wrong. I'm just proving it. It is need not be regular because I have two examples. Sometimes non-regular, sometimes regular, means union of two non-regulars, no guarantee of not regular. Yes, that is the reason we failed it. False. Infinite union of finite sets. Infinite union of finite sets. Guys, if you take finite set, infinite union of finite sets, if you take, will it guarantee regular? If you take two finites, okay, result is finite, so regular. But you are doing infinitely, just try. Epsilon, this is a finite. AB, this is also finite. Take a square, b square, that is also finite. One string only, guys, one string. But infinitely, if you are doing one after other, if you look at only that strings, I don't want any other string. A power n, b power n. But is it regular? No, right? But they are saying it is regular. It is actually need not be regular. What is the answer? Actual answer is need not be regular. May or may not be. It depends on which languages you are doing the union. Is it clear? Yeah, Venki. You are asking about each option, right? Is that each option clear? Of course, first option, if you don't know, just take any language. A plus b whole star is regular, but every subset no guarantee. Here a power n, b power n is subset of a plus b whole star, but it is not guaranteed regular. This is a non-regular. Yeah. All right, all right. Very famous question in DOC. Let's see next one. The context-free languages are closed under. Context-free languages are closed under dash. Context-free languages are closed under. People are not serious at all because there are no exams at all. No semester exams, no competitive exams. People are chilling out outside. Guys, wake up the people who are sleeping these days, guys. After the gate result, I think maybe after 3-4 days, the result will come out and everybody will come to the YouTube. Look at that days. I want to see everybody on YouTube after the result. And we'll again spend sleepless nights before the exam. If there is any ISRO exam, I'll make you ready for the last week. In the last week, we'll work hard to practice the questions like ISRO, BARC, any exam is there. The last week, we are going to work hard on YouTube, guys. We will practice like anything, but there are no exams now. No notifications are coming, guys. Yes, Shantanu, I'm in Noida now. Yeah. How many of you are seriously preparing, guys? Those people who are written GATE well, they are preparing other exams, but those people who are in dilemma whether they get good score or not, they're just chilling out. I don't know what they want to do after this. Yeah. How many are preparing for the other exams, guys? Like the session, guys. Don't forget to like the session. Those people who are Thank you, Venki. Even we have Satish sir, he teaches also very beautifully. Okay, next question. Try to answer it, guys. 17. Come on, Rohit. Good. Next question is on, guys. Next question. Context-free languages are closed under. How many of you remembered? Anonymous. Everybody is gem. Only the thing is you need to have practice. You need to have a revision. Yes. Everybody, every coin has two sides, head and tail. If you look at only head, it looks like you are gem. But you should also look at tail side, guys. B. 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 Yeah. What was the shortcut you remembered? Let me revise that. What was the shortcut you remembered for context-free languages which are closed? Have you remembered a shortcut? There is a shortcut, I think. Did you remember that? Did you remember that, guys? Shortcut. Which are not closed. You remember some shortcut which are not closed. What was the shortcut, guys? Main shortcut. D-I-S-C, disk. Mainly I told that, remember D-I-S-C, disk. C-I-D-S-Q, yes. Another shortcut, C-I-D-S-Q. Use any name that you have remembered already. C-I-D-S-Q, okay. I forgot that, I made it disk only. Okay. Disk Q and C-I-D-S-Q, great. So here you can see that this is the difference, intersection and subset, complement, quotient. You can see which are not closed. Intersection is not closed. Intersection and complement not closed. Complement not closed. So we can delete these options, and union, cleanly closure anyhow closed. Yeah. You could have been remembered that. How do you know that it is closed? And somehow in the interviews is very important. Union, we have an algorithm S1 bar S2, and S1 S2 represent two languages, let's say. And cleanly closure, how did you remember it is closed? You need to make just whole star. This will make a star. That will make how to repeat a language any number of times. These are the two proofs why union and cleanly closure closed. Did you remember that, guys? Proofs also will help you if you could have remembered. Forgot the shortcut, then this will help you. Okay. Next one. Is 2017. Every context-sensitive language is recursive. Is it right? There exists a recursive language that is not a context-sensitive. Is it a question, guys? Is it a question? Who knows Chomsky hierarchy structure? These are all CSLs. These are all recursives. If you know this relation between the languages, answer is over. Every CSL that is definitely recursive because it is there in the recursive class, and there exists a recursive language that is not a CSL, yes. Very simple, very simple. If you know the relation between them and you could answer within seconds. Are they both true? Only S1, Anvesha? S2, is there any problem? There exists a recursive language which is not a context sensitive. Yes, this is the recursive language. Did they ask about true only, right? True only, right? Yeah. This is a recursive. but not CSL. Here, is there right? There exists a recursive language which is not context sensitive. Yes, both are. Where is it here? Why C? Why C here? What are you choosing, guys? C says that both are not correct. Are they both are not correct? Every context sensitive language. Yaar, what are you doing, guys? ये तो होता है, easy question में गलत कर रहा है. How can be that, यार? Both statements are true, right? This is also true. They are not saying recursive is CSL. If they say every recursive is CSL, that is false. Every recursive is CSL, then false. This is a false. Anyhow, every CSL is recursive, yaar. Both are true. Both are true. Such mistakes are enough. Such mistakes are enough. Alright. It was a gate question, also ISRO question. Did you see that? Most of the ISRO questions are repeated from the gate, so you can save a lot of time. Compiler, regular expression, and programming. They are talking about programming. Yeah. And please like the session. Those people who are joining late, yeah, already dislikes are started. People are enemies. Some enemies are there in the class. Great. Yeah, they should ask me like anything. Good evening, Nishu. I like dislikers. I want more dislikes, but people don't give it. C for cat. AC, both questions. How can be AC? Venki, why are you choosing A? Read the English line. Identifier is permitted to be a letter. Letter means some letter followed by. Followed by means concatenation. Any number of letters and digits. It means this any number of letters and digits L plus D whole star. That's L followed by L plus D whole star. Letter followed by any number of letters and digits. Very simple, very simple. Yeah. When do you choose this? At least one letter or digit. At least one, but any number of letter or digits. At least one. A previous year as well as ISRO. What is not present? Where is present, not present? Venki, what are you asking? Who is that asking? Venki. In case of there is not present in followed. A letter by, that word is not proper, yaar. How can you say that followed by is there? How do I know that? If this completely not there, letter followed this word is not there, then you should use L plus D whole star. This is if you don't have this one. But you have it now. Letter followed by. Then you have to choose first letter. Okay. Then that time L plus D whole star. That is not there. So you can go for option A at least. That is matching. Because identifier cannot be empty. There could be some condition somewhere. Non-empty identifier. Then you can choose that if you don't have a letter followed by. Right. That's, you have to, right? Fine. Which one of the following is false? Again, guys, look at, this is a good news for you. Most of the gate questions will be repeated in the future, right? So, previous year gate questions are really helping in coming ISRO exams. And those people who are watching this video in the future, And don't forget to practice the gate questions for ISRO exam. That is a key point for ISRO preparation. Which one of the following is false? Means most of them are true here. There is unique minimal DFA for every regular. Yes, it is true. Every NFA, yes, convertible to PDA. Every NFA, not only NFA, DFA also. True. Complement of every CFL is recursive, even it is decidable too. CFL complement is actual answer is CSL. You can say recursive too. Yeah, this is also true. So D, every non-deterministic PDA, can you convert into DPDA? No, this is false. Any counter example? Any counter example? Any counter example? Any counter example? Just look at W power R, where let's say W belongs to A comma B whole star. It has a PDA. It has a PDA, but can you convert into DPDA? Impossible. Impossible. They are saying that every PDA you can convert to DPDA, but this has a PDA, but no PDA. For this, no DPDA. No DPDA for this. This example is enough why this statement is false. Yeah. Before looking at other questions, before looking at other questions, those people who are preparing for GATE 2022, the weekend batch already started, and in case if you are preparing, it's the right time to join, as you have 1 year of time, almost, not exactly 1 year, but you will have a plenty time to prepare, and the regular batch is already enrollment begin, and the classes are going to start from the next Monday. In case if you have any doubt, we have helpline number. Really, they are going to help you. 9650052904. Yeah, next question. Yeah, I didn't understand this question at all. If you understood, please answer it, guys. I did not understand this question at all. Let's see who will answer this question. In GATE, I don't see such questions ever. Maybe in ISRO, NET, UGC NET, such questions might ask. What is the highest type number? What do you mean by highest type number? Slowly we should interpret. Type 0, type 1, type 2, type 3. Which is the highest number? Okay. So, समझ लिया? Yeah. So, what is the given grammar first? What is the given grammar? This is strictly, you know that it is a left linear grammar. So, you can say regular grammar. Regular grammar comes under which type? Type 3. Type 3. Yes. Type 3. So, you need to choose type 3. But if they don't say, find the type. What is the type that can be assigned to the following grammar? Everything comes out. Like if these two words are deleted, then all the types are answers. Then MSQ, it will be in GATE, but I don't think in the GATE they will ask such questions. I think 2 times this kind of question was asked in GATE, 2 times. It is 1 time in ISRO, similar. Even number of zeros, even number of ones. Which one of the following expression is correct? Every option looks like even number of ones. Every option except the last one. Every option looks like even number of ones. But which one is correct? Looks like, that's all. Which is the right answer? I want to find out what is the mistake in every option. Option A almost correct, but where was the mistake? Option A almost correct, but where was the mistake? Option A is wrong only the because is that you can't generate the zeros. You can't generate the zeros. If this could have been given, then right answer. But here 0 was missing here. If you have zeros here, then this will be correct answer. When you look at this is absolutely right. The reason is even number of ones you can generate, also only zeros which comes before or after doesn't matter, you can generate. Yeah, only zeros can't be produced, but if you write this, only zeros can be produced. Correct. That's a counter example. To make it correct, you need to change it. B is correct and this is correct. And why this is the problem? Single one you can generate, but they are asking even number of ones. You can put epsilon, you can put epsilon, you can put epsilon. Single one is coming from here. That's not even number of ones. Delete. And this one, again, epsilon 0 is not coming. Epsilon is not able to come here. But epsilon is a valid string. Epsilon is a valid string. So delete. Yeah, very famous question. Yeah, in C, odd ones possible. Correct. Yeah, good. Yeah, it's over already. This question was already over. 2 times it was a GATE question that I told already. What is the question? Same question repeated again. The language generated by the above grammar is ASA, BSB, AB. That is just options are jumbled anyhow. All odd length palindromes. This was already over. Yes, guys. Already over. Just now we have seen. Let's go to another question. Okay, come to the next question. GATE 2008 and ISRO 2016. Just a definition of somebody here. One of the language definition is this one. So easy definition. In single year, I might be using this line at least 1,000 times, guys. In the class, I might be using at least 1,000 times in throughout the year, which was a very L and L complement are recursively enumerable. Then L recursive, not only L complement also recursive. That is the definition of a recursive. Yes, in future you might see L and L complement have the Turing motion, then L definitely recursive. Another name is decidable. Yeah, right. And also do not forget one thing, this is if only, they didn't say if and only if. So E, if they ask E recursively enumerable language, It is also right because if is here only. They did not say if and only if. If they ask here if and only if, then strictly D. But if they ask if, then you can choose both are right. So there is one more question comes in a future. L and L complement are recursively enumerable languages. Then, not then now. If and only if. If and only if L is dash, here only one word comes recursive. If this question comes, you should answer only recursive, but if here then comes, then that L is already we know recursive, so you can answer both of them. Yeah, that's a very important question. They might trying to confuse in future exams, but do not. Yeah. One of the easy question in TOC. When you read the question, you can answer very quickly. I don't know how many times this kind of question came in the competitive exams. In L complement, all are same. The number of zeros is divisible by 2. And why do they ask only and? At least they should confuse using some other word. It's a 5 and 2. And again here you can see the option 5 into 2, 10. It's a multiplication question. Right. Even some people don't know, they may try 5 plus 2, 7 is there. Okay. 5 minus 2, 3 is not there. 5 into 2, 10. We know it's a composition motion. We can apply multiplication. Okay. Let's see, we will answer this question. TIFR. TIFR also TOC and mathematics questions are a lot, including algorithms. So look at theoretical based questions, and very good question it is in fact. Which of the following statement is false? You know TIFR has the 5 options. ISRO has 4 options only. Right, सेशन तो आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा है. 20 lakhs यार. बच्चे इतना आ रहा है जा रहा है कंफ्यूज है बिल्कुल. लगता है मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस लेना ही पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट वीक में ले लेते गाइस. Keep attending the next week sessions. We'll do motivational videos then. Which of the following statements false? Statement is false. Statements is false. Which one? Which one? राहुल एक बार हो चुके, दूसरी बार आएगा कभी. बहुत टाइम है उसके लिए, 4-5 महीने टाइम. राहुल 2 बार आता. ऑलरेडी लोग एग्जाम लिख रहा होगा उसका. C for Chennai. Intersection of CFL with a regular means CFL intersection regular. How many of you know it is always CFL? And to remember this, you might forget this. To remember this, just keep one point. A power n, B power n, intersection A star, B star. You got A power n, B power n, which is absolutely not regular, but it is CFL, no doubt. Whether it is regular or not, just remember that example. December, January में होता है राहुल. Okay. If you remember that, you can understand this is the true only. The intersection of 2 regular languages is regular. Intersection of 2 CFLs. How many of you know this is need not be CFL? Actual answer is need not be context free. But they are saying it is context free. That is the reason it is the false. we have to choose this because it is only false. Intersection of two CFLs, intersection of CFL and complement of regular is a CFL. Yeah, D is same as A. Everybody agree? D is same as A. Yes or no? CFL intersection regular complement is equal to that CFL intersection regular. That's exactly same as option A. The intersection of regular language and complement of regular. Yeah, E same as what? E same as B only. Both are same. Regular intersection regular complement is nothing but regular intersection regular. So regular. Yeah. They are just repeating the same statement some other way. Okay. Bhartendu, where did they ask closed here? Did they ask closed? A has already algorithm. What algorithm? It's not for two regular, it's not for two CFLs. It is for, how many of you know, there is an algorithm, you might not study in undergraduate, but there is a composition of PDA and parameter is a PDA. That's algorithm. Come on. Bharatendu, you want a proof, right? Please go and study the pushdown automata of parameter can be composed. You will get another PDA. That means always it is CFL, may or may not be. You can write here, may or may not be regular. For that only I have given example. You can't say regular because you have a counter example. There's a counter example, those people who are saying regular. What is here? Bharatendu, where are you? Is means always CFL. May or may not be regular, but always CFL. Whether it is regular or not, regular is also CFL, and whatever the non-regular comes, that is also CFL. Okay. Always I am talking about, not sometimes here. Okay, next one. TAFR, that is what? Those people who are not good at the fundamentals, they keep on doing the mistake in TAFR questions. ISRO, you don't have any problem. But TAFR is one exam, it's more tricky than gate. Remember the word. They don't have anything. They have just words to make you a lot of confusion. This is what the TAFR confusion. Which of the following is false? Everybody saying E, then E must be right. Complement of recursive is recursive. True. This is true. A language recognized by non-deterministic Turing machine can also be recognized by DTM because they are equivalent. DTM, NTM equivalent. And recursive complement is recursive because they are closed under. Complement of CFL can be recognized by TM, it is true because it is recursive. If language and its complement are both are REL, then just now we have studied in ISRO question, I think. Complement of non-recursive language can never be recognized by Turing machine. Is it true? No. Need to understand little bit. Tell me, non-recursive language means what? It can be not REL. But we know there are some not RELs. Their complements are RELs. There are some not RELs. Their complements are RELs. You know that? this is the counterexample. This is the counterexample. Everybody, some not RELs are there. Their complement can come inside, that is REL but not recursive. Yes, complement of not REL can be REL. That is the reason they are saying never be, but it is sometimes. So this is the false statement. What they should say? Complement of non-recursive may be recognized by Turing machine. Then we can say. And may not be recognized. Yes, we should say true. Right. This statement I can make it true by adding may be, may not be. Yeah. All right. Okay. Next TIFR question. And please like the session, guys. Those people who have joined late. Which of the following problems is decidable? Very simple question. Of course, it is simple only when you know the table. CFG means context-free grammar, CFL means context-free language. Okay. Is anybody facing the issue, guys? Okay. All right. What is the answer, guys? Which of the following is decidable? If you have studied the table, that could be very easy for you. The first one, it is same as whether given CFL is regular. How do I know which property I should apply to check? It's really going to be a difficult problem. And second one, language generated by grammar means is given CFL is CFL equal to pi. Emptiness problem. Yes, emptiness problem is decidable. You can use a simplified grammar technique. That is decidable. Find whether the intersection of two CFLs is empty. How many of you know CFL intersection CFL equal to pi? Indirectly it is equal to CSL, and CSL equal to pi. Emptiness is undecidable problem for CSL. So find whether the complement of CFL is a CFL. We don't have any algorithm to check that. Find whether CFG 1 and CFG 2 generate the same language. Equivalence problem. Undecidable. Equivalence problem. Undecidable. Everybody? What? Complement of CFL. The close, not close, don't use here. Algorithm we are talking about, Rahul. Okay, anyhow guys, I think today's session is over, and thank you so much for joining today's session. And this is the helpline number in case if anybody want to take the Gradeup Super subscription. Yes, we are here to help you, and we are starting the fantastic and very beautiful batches where we are always going to engage the classes to learn something all the time. And those people who are watching this video, don't forget to like the session. And these are the two new batches we have started on Gradeup, and this is already started. And this is going to start from the next Monday. Enrollment started for this batch number 5, Vision 2022. Okay, great. And please go to Google Play if you're not aware of the Gradeup app and install once and start learning from us in free classes. You will get to know what is Gradeup. सही प्रिप है तो लाइफ सेट है. And keep practicing daily quizzes that we post freely, and also keep attending free live classes to learn from us. Thank you so much for joining our sessions. Take care. Bye bye.